nag-trending ka nung before the fight eh. Natanong na kita agad diretso na, now, sabi ng mga fans, Sir, si JM medyo parang diskumpiyado yata sa edad. Especially when you mention about, wag niyong, how do I phrase this? Pag medyo nabubugbog na si Manny, wag kayong mahiyang magtapon ng tuwalya. Now, after seeing Manny, JM, against Barrios, it's not the best Manny that we know, but he lasted for 12 rounds, and went to a draw against a young prime fighter. Do you still feel the same way about Manny?
Feel what? Na
medyo sa edad? Sa edad lang naman.
He looked good, but he looked good for a 46-year-old fighter. Wag naman na tayo magbulahan dito. Of course, it's not the same Manny Pacquiao, okay? For someone who hasn't fought in 4 years, someone who is 46 years old, na talaga namang ang dami ng pinagdaanan na laban, he looked good. And I would have to agree with with Attorney Ed. There's a reason why they chose Mario Barrios. Diba? Nakita naman natin yung naging performance kay Abel Ramos eh. Kahit ako naman sinasabi ko, nung nakita ko yun, Diyos ko, parang kaya din talaga hata ni Manny ito.
Pati diba? Si Jinky yata nag-approve din eh. Sabi ni Jinky, kaya man talunin yan. Go.
So yung naging performance ni Manny, not only because of how good he is, how great he is, it was also, i-quote ko si Attorney Ed, kasi agree ako doon, it was also aided by the performance of Mario Barrios. Kasi, tulad ni Attorney Ed, hindi naman talaga ako sold kay Barrios eh. The only thing is that I have overestimated Barrios. I think he's a lot worse than I thought. Diba? I thought he would at least come to fight, but he's just a lot worse than I thought. So, yung performance ng Manny Pacquiao for a 46 years old na hindi lumaban na 4 na doon, ang ganda nun, 2 thumbs up. Okay? But tingnan mo yung naging dynamics. Tingnan mo yung naging performance. The guy didn't even try to fight until round 11. Diba? So, go.
That's what I'm saying. Kasi parang, we've seen Mario Barrios fight except for the last one, which is not good. But he doesn't fight like this. And most of the guys are saying, and meron pa nga nagdududa, I have to see the contract, that he didn't fight like what was expected of him. And that's why even after the draw where it's very inconclusive that most people would require a rematch, that even Sean Gibbons is not interested because of the way Mario Barrios fought. Now, for me, it's not really Pacquiao's fault that the fight went like that, because Mario Barrios wasn't willing and able to attack like he's supposed to as the younger guy.
Kasi, the way Manny fought like he wanted to win. Okay?
Yes.
Si Mario Barrios fought like he's okay with the draw. Para siyang walang pakialam eh. Di ba alam mo yun? Okay na, sa akin pa rin naman yung bet. Draw ko kay Abel Ramos, draw na lang Manny Pacquiao. Okay na sa akin yun. Di ba? Ayun yung problema eh. Sabi nga ni Attorney Ed, he had too much respect for Manny's power. And how can you not? Di ba? Kasi power is the last to go. And andun pa rin naman talaga yung pop. And even at 46 years old, even though he is not as fast as before, he's still hella fast. Especially for a guy like Barrios na, sa pinakita niya, sa totoo lang, parang borderline C-class fighter na ito eh. Di ba? Ang medyo masama yung performance. To be fair, not just me, and marami namang honest na nagsasabi, he's not really all that as a fighter. It's just that nung lumaban siya kay Manny, marami na nagsasabi, and I agree, ako rin, nasabi ko na he's a lot worse than people thought. Eh, di ba? Pinagbabash nga siya ni Paulie Malignaggi, and yes, valid yung mga objective yung take ni Paulie Malignaggi, whether you like the guy or not, how he talks, di ba? Very objective eh. Kasi talagang may pa-warrior ka pa, ayaw mo nang sumugod, di ba? May pag-gano'n siya sinasabi. Manny Pacquiao doesn't have, his legs are not the same. You'd think that he'd at least pick it up, in the middle rounds and try to fight the guy. Eh, yung corner niya nga, kulang na lang, magmakaawa na dun sa ano bang ginagawa mo, di ba? He was, starstruck ka, okay, gets. Starstruck ka dun sa legend, nasa harap mo, round 1, okay, sure. Round 2, sige, pagbigyan natin. Pero round 3, starstruck ka pa rin. Round 11 ka na nag-start na what he was supposed to do, he only started round 11. We could have started round 3, round 4. Diba? So, ayun, it's just a lot worse than a lot of people thought, including me. And Manny Pacquiao just really performed well. Again, may asterisk for a 46-year-old fighter.
Yeah, okay. you keep mentioning Fortis, but before that, and I understand that. No, first of all, yung Warrior noon, it's parang naging baligtad. No, by the way, yung may Aztec Warrior bigla si Manny Pacquiao, even in a draw siya yung nakakuha ng Aztec Warrior, and you were right. Mario Barrios may have been starstruck because nakaka-weirdo na ang coach mo sasabihan ka during the fight na stop respecting this guy. So instead of giving you instruction o ng kung anong dapat mong gawin, stop respecting this guy, what you doing. By the way, LQ sila ngayon ang pinaka-latest update. May LQ.
Nagtitili na doon yung corner niya. Hindi na malaman ng corner niya kung anong klaseng pep talk at pangungumbinsi pang kailangan nila doon. Diba?
But I want to give credit din kasi when Mario Barrios was interviewed, he said that while nasasaktan pa rin daw siya kaya hindi siya makapasok, malakas talaga yung suntok, and hence why his performance. So I give credit for Pacquiao. Again, Pacquiao is not the same, but man, to defeat a guy like that, para sa akin, it deserve all the credit. Go ahead.
Which ang ganda nung inamin niya na yon. Diba? That's why he's not really an elite fighter. Ano ba sa tingin niya? Si Mayweather hindi nasaktan, si Marquez, Morales, pero yung mga yung sumuntok, bumante.
Yeah.
Ikaw naka-cover ka lang, nakataas yung kasi titignan mo ang dami naman sa suntok ni Manny kasi syempre kapag ka nanonood doon Las Vegas ng Pilipino, pagka sumuntok kahit na wala naman tumama, hiyawan, akala mo nakapuro, pero titignan mo ang dami, 'di ba? Sa braso, sa elbow, ang dami sa gloves. Hindi naman tumatama, 'di ba? So actually hindi ko na rinig yung sinabi niya na yon na nasasaktan siya. And you know what? I actually believe him na nasasaktan siya. Sino ba naman di masasaktan sa suntok ng Manny Pacquiao? Pero that's what separates him. 'Di ba? Sa mga elite fighter, yung Morales, Barrera, Marquez, tingin niya ba hindi nasaktan 'yan? 'Di ba? Yung De La Hoya nga na zombie na umakyat sa ring, sumubok pang sumuntok. Sa tingin niya hindi nasasaktan yung De La Hoya. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
That's what separates him. And I think that's the best example. I think that's the best argument that he's really not all that as a fighter. Kasi nasaktan siya, ayoko na sumuntong. So